friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Meenakshi and this is my YouTube channel. If you guys are new over here, then I'm a vlogger and this is my YouTube channel. This is new YouTube channel. I've been saying YouTube so many times. Okay, welcome over here and I'm making better videos now. I think so because I'm getting so many views now. Not a lot, but yeah, considerably a lot. I wasn't expecting this much response from everyone around me, and all my friends and my family members are like, they are supporting me a lot, and thank God. I hope to make big movie like I am doing on my Facebook and Instagram channel. If you guys have not yet followed me on my Facebook and Instagram channel, the links are mentioned in the description box. So please go ahead and follow me. Okay. So since you guys know that masks are now very important part of our daily lifestyle. Whether we go to our office or even to shop or to hang out with friends, all of us need to wear a mask right now because of the corona infection. Because it is, you might survive, but yeah, it's a serious infection, and the pandemic has affected a lot of population all around the world, and people are trying to come up with new ideas to help people go about their lifestyle, the lifestyle we used to have before this pandemic hit the world. I was inside for the most part of the lockdown, but since I started stepping out, wearing the mask was very difficult for me. I feel suffocated because of the mask. I have tried the surgical masks, I have tried the cotton face masks, and I have even tried the ones that are available in the market from top brands, the multi-layered ones. I have tried like almost every one of them, but they all they make me feel suffocated. The multiple layers of the fiber, they just stick to your nose, and it makes it very difficult for you to breathe. And I sweat a lot. Okay, so inside the mask, I was always uncomfortable with it, trying to breathe, breathing properly with all those layers. And it was the summer season and the rain season. It's just making it very difficult for everyone. Everyone like me. I mean, I am pretty sure there are a lot of people out there who are finding very difficult to wear a mask, and they're suffering. They are started having acne all over their faces, chin area, the cheeks, the area that is covered with the masks. It's really difficult, but since it's an important part of lifestyle now, so we have to figure out different ways to try to get something better. So after a little research, I came across to this new brand called Hemp for Life. It is by Hemp Foundation, and if you guys don't know about Hemp Foundation is a NGO that helps the women in hills of Uttarakhand, the villages over there, the remote villages in Uttarakhand, to earn a lively by farming for industrial hemp, that is cannabis sativa, bhang. Most of you will know it with that name, and they help these women and many villages out there to grow hemp, industrial hemp over there, and to extract fiber from it and make a lot of things from that fiber. It is used for in different industries, and now it is being used as a fiber for fashion, for creating a fiber, creating a fabric that can be turned into a more sustainable fashion. Since the COVID has been affecting a lot of people, and so they thought to convert that fabric which is created with the hemp plant, and convert it into a mask. And I was like, okay, how can this be converted into this? Can you see? This is made with this. I was little surprised, like silk and cotton and all those kind of fabrics that I've used so far. But wondering that cannabis sativa plant can be converted into something so comfortable, so soft, and these people have made it possible. I got these masks. I got 4 masks for my family members. All of them are different colored, and I was like, okay, let me try this one as well. I have tried all the other masks available in the market. Let me try this one as well. So I got 4 different colors. This one is dark gray, by the way. Let me show you all the colors in this video. These masks, these are really comfortable. These are double layered masks. All of them are 250 GSM fabric, and it is so soft, so soft to touch. It is so soft. I was like, okay, this is a very thin fiber. How is it going to make it possible for me to breathe properly? But I found out that hemp is antimicrobial and antifungal, and it can help you to stay away from the fungus, to stay away from the infection, stay away from the virus in every way possible. It is a double layered mask. You can see there are 2 layers in it, and even though it is 2 layered mask, it is really breathable, and I was so happy that I got this one. I wore it for several days now. I have been using it for like 4 or 5 days, and I am ecstatic. This is really amazing. It doesn't have elastic fiber. These straps are not elastic like most of the masks that are available have elastic ones. But those elastic, tend to pull the mask towards your nose and towards your mouth to hold it down over there. And although it is good thing, it is protecting you, but in doing that, it is making difficult for people to breathe properly. Like people in the South Asian countries like Korea and Japan, they're habitual of wearing masks, but we Indians, we just wear masks during Diwali time to protect ourselves from pollution, or just cover ourselves with the rumal बांध लिया या फिर दुपट्टा लपेट लिया. That is not how we are supposed to do it. So this non-elastic strap, it helps to keep it there, but without pushing it towards your nose and towards your mouth, and helping it to to help you breathe properly. It is nicely stitched. This is also stitched by the women who grew it and who process it to produce this final product for hemp foundation. And it is shaped properly to cover your mouth and your nose, giving you proper protection without making it difficult for you to breathe. See, let me show you how to do it. You just put it over here around your ear, and then just take it around your mouth and nose, and just put it on the other ear, and that's it. It's so easy. I can breathe properly through it, and it is not, you know, pulling itself towards my face. I wore it out in the sun and I wasn't sweating inside it. It's breathable, it's soft, it is comfortable, and I'm like, I totally recommend it to everyone out there. I loved it so much, I had to share it with everyone over here. I will put the link in the description if you guys want to go ahead and buy one for your family. I got the small size. These are available in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large, and in 4 colors: white, light gray, dark gray, and black. So you guys can go out there and buy these to help the farmers in Uttarakhand, to help the women out there who are working to produce these and make a livelihood for themselves, and, you know, support a sustainable fashion. I hope you guys love this video, and I hope that you guys follow proper government guidelines to stay safe in corona, and use proper mask, cover yourself, your nose and mouth, and wash your hands several times. Use sanitizer. Sanitize your home, sanitize your gates, sanitize your car, sanitize everything except your phones. It's going to destroy that. uh, and stay safe from corona. If you have infection, cover your mouth to protect others. If you don't have infection, cover your mouth to protect yourself and your family members. Do remember that covering, if everybody wears a mask, the person with the infection and the person without the infection, they are helping everyone in the community. You're not just protecting yourself, you're protecting a lot of people around you from the infection. So please wear a mask and stay safe. Thank you for watching my channel.